And there's the snow outside of world headquarters. Good morning, everyone.
That Camaro ain't going anywhere.
It's a storm of the century for the guy in the yellow Camaro on 58th Street. We have been monitoring this all morning. The Camaro is still there. We're waiting for the next move. The Camaro still stuck. Let's catch up with the surveillance Camaro stuck in a snowdrift outside our world. We've got some movement.
Who parks a Camaro on 3rd Avenue in the middle of a storm and expects to get it out in the morning?
Do you think sheet of plywood?
All-wheel drive.
What you do is get out the floor mats.
Yeah.
Right, and put them in front of the rear-wheel tires. I don't see that
Break
happening.
open a Molson or a Labatt's. Which would you go with, a Molson or a Labatt's?
That's the celebration that comes after getting out of the
There it's a break exclusive. Shasker picks Labatt's to dig out the snowbank. The Camaro has not moved. There is Tom, no relation. Tom and his yellow Camaro. He's been out there since 3 a.m. 3rd Avenue and 57th Street. He tried to get assistance from a tow truck. They still can't move the beast. He's
in fact, they put it in the middle of the road
Eric,
and they're blocking traffic.
The salt trick on the back tires. Does that work, Eric?
No.
The continuing surveillance coverage of Tom in the yellow Camaro. Our AP, part of our crack team, ventured out early in the morning. The profanity has been deleted. Here we are moving the Camaro. This is on 57th Street and 3rd Avenue. Full disclosure, after Bloomberg surveillance, our entire TV crew will exit out onto the street. All of them will get behind that Camaro and push that puppy to freedom.
Good morning.